Storm's Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 Pro for Cricket Wireless. So the iPhone 13 Pro is now here at Cricket Wireless. It's available in 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage. So the 128 gigabyte iPhone 13 Pro is $999.99, and then the 256 gigabyte version is $1099.99. Alright, so yeah, the 256 gigabyte version has one color, which is interesting to have. So y'all got 3 colors to choose from here, because one of them is out of stock. So y'all guys got graphite, gold, and blue there to choose from currently. This silver one is not in stock right now. So yeah, so that's the iPhone 13 Pro, same as the last year iPhone 12 Pro last year. In terms of design, it looks like the iPhone 12 Pro from last year, but slightly different design or whatever. But anyways, guys, you guys got your notch for your front-facing camera, earpiece, power button on the right side of the phone. Left side of the phone will have your volume keys and alert switch. So yeah, there's the back of the iPhone 13 Pro. You guys got 3 cameras in the back along with the camera flash, and your Apple logo in the rear. So yeah, so the iPhone 13 Pro Max iPhone 13 Pro has a 6.1 inch display like the iPhone 13 does, 12 megapixel cameras, 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage. So it's an iPhone 13 Pro, the biggest Pro camera system upgrade ever. 6.1 inch display, 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display with permission for a faster, more responsive feel. Lightning fast A15 Bionic chip, super fast 5G, durable design, and industry-leading IP68 water resistance, and a huge leap in battery life. So the iPhone 13 Pro features permission. So what that is basically y'all guys can turn your refresh rate up to 120 Hz. So that is pretty cool. So the only the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max has permission enabled. So yeah. So the features. Display 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display with permission for a faster and more responsive feel. This display has rounded corners that follow a beautiful curved design and these corners are within a standard rectangle. When measured as a standard rectangle shape, the 6.1 inch screen is 6.06 inches diagonally. Actual viewable area is less. Video. Cinematic mode adds shallow depth of field and shifts focus automatically in your videos. Pro camera system with new 12 megapixel telephoto, wide angle, and ultra wide cameras. They all are 12 megapixel cameras. You have the LiDAR scanner, 6x optical zoom, range macro photography, photographic styles, ProRes video, Smart HDR4 night mode, Apple ProRAW 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording, 12 megapixel true depth camera with night mode 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording as well. Specs on this one, of course, it's going to be good. Obviously, this is the iPhone 13 Pro. It comes with iOS 15 on board, so that's pretty cool. So you guys will get like 5 years of updates, so that's fucking insane. Your dimensions, same as the iPhone 13, 5.78 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. Screen size, same as the iPhone 13, 6.1 inch display, is an all-screen. It is an OLED panel, 128 gigs at 256 gigabytes of storage options. Connectivity, 5G of course, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax with 2x2 MIMO. I'm not sure what that is. Bluetooth 5.0. You do get a telephoto, wide angle, and ultra wide cameras on the back at 12 megapixels, and a 12 megapixel true depth front facing camera as well. So the processor is A15 Bionic chip, new 6-core CPU with 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, new 5-core GPU, new 16-core neutral engine. Battery, built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Accessories is out of stock on Quickest website, but y'all guys can go to Amazon and get your accessories for your iPhone 13 Pro on Amazon, guys, so do that. And so with that being said, there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 Pro is now here at Quicker Wireless. It's available in 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage, so check what color y'all guys want because it might be out of stock. So yeah, the iPhone 13 Pro is here at Quicker Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.